With last OpenAI event, I think we need to understand what is going to happen in the future. And I told you a couple of months ago, I told you, what if in the future we will have a marketplace where we can just go and buy the tool that we need, the chatbot that we need. And this is groundbreaking in a lot of different ways. But before that, let me just show you what I mean. So just watch this.
Thrilled to introduce GPTs. GPTs are tailored versions of ChatGPT for a specific purpose. You can build a GPT, a customized version of ChatGPT for almost anything, with instructions, expanded knowledge, and actions, and then you can publish it for others to use. And because they combine instructions, expanded knowledge, and actions, they can be more helpful to you. They can work better in many contexts, and they can give you better control. They'll make it easier for you to accomplish all sorts of tasks or just have more fun, and you'll be able to use them right within ChatGPT. Revenue sharing is important to us. We're going to pay people who build the most useful and the most used GPTs a portion of our revenue. We're excited to foster a vibrant ecosystem with the GPT store. Just from what we've been building ourselves over the weekend, we're confident there's going to be a lot of great stuff. We're excited to share more information soon.
Let's get this straight. They created a marketplace where you can sell your own GPTs and make money. So this means that if you're a developer, if you're a business owner, if you create something within the OpenAI ecosystem and you want to resell it, you can. So this means that I can first create a tool tailored specific to what I need within OpenAI. So I don't have to have, let's say, on third-party software that is integrated with OpenAI, do API calls, and maybe today it's working and tomorrow I don't know if it's working, and deal with everything, where I can actually create it with natural language. So that means that I can say, hey, I want to build an app that does this. And the tool just start creating whatever you need, and you keep giving feedback. And then at the end, you have a GPT or an app, in this case, that you can use. And you can sell on a marketplace or to a customer eventually. Who knows? That is something we need to figure out in the future. But this is what I mean. With just one event, they maybe run out of business, a lot of different businesses, because if I have, let's say, a company that helps people create apps of AIs that connect to GPT, maybe other people won't need this in the future anymore because they will use OpenAI software integrated within ChatGPT. So I don't know if you get this. This is just groundbreaking. And again, the marketplace. This is just the App Store at the beginning of Apple when they created an App Store. And you can see today what the App Store is. Do you remember at the beginning? I do, because I'm a bit older. When they started the App Store, nobody was on there. And being a developer of an app specifically was something super rare and super well paid. Today, you can actually build apps super easy in no time. This is what I'm trying to say. This is what I was telling you 2 months ago. I remember a month and a half ago, where I was telling you, always make sure that your business is future-proof, because if you don't, eventually OpenAI or a company like this can make an announcement of a new tool and you don't have a valuable business anymore. So I will show you how a GPT is created. I will show you how to sell it on a marketplace. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, because in the future videos, I will do that. My account, I think, will be ready to go pretty soon, because I'm already seeing some different changes within my OpenAI account. But yeah, today I wanted to make this video because I think it's super important to just sit down and try to understand what actually happened. With that said, I was a bit busy the past few weeks, so that's why I didn't make any video. I still want to make the podcast, and I still want to go live on this channel and talk with you guys about AI, about business, about everything. So make sure to subscribe. I will give you all the information in my Discord. Free, you don't have to pay for anything. Link will be below. I will link the OpenAI presentation as well below, so you have a chance to watch it and to better understand in depth what they discussed on stage. Because again, I think that announcement was groundbreaking. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with a brand new video.